Hello friends, hola amigos. Well, Belgium is still in lockdown, so I'm still waiting for some pieces to arrive in order to terminate my big project. But in the meantime, I wanted to show how handy the power window module is. As you can see, I'm waiting in the car with the windows all slightly open. And when I press once the lock button, all the windows close automatically, as you can hear, one by one. And when I want to reopen them all four, I just press quickly close, open, close, and as you can see, all the windows opened. So this is a really handy feature, I think, especially in the summertime. So now all the windows are opening. So as you saw from a distance, I just pushed unlock, lock, unlock, and all the windows open by themselves. When I lock the car again, they all close one by one. And if you want to leave the car behind, you just lock, open, lock, and they all open a few inches. Lock the car again, and they all close. This is the more expensive module. The basic module only closes the windows upon locking the car, but I really wanted the feature where I was able to control from a distance with the key fob the windows. I think it was about 35 euros. Please consult my video to see the whole installation and the links where to buy. I just wanted to share this feature again with you because it is really handy. So everybody, stay safe, stay home, and see you next time. Bye bye.